My name's Morgan Mercer. I'm a 3L here at the University of South Carolina Joseph F. Rice School of Law. So before law school, I was a teacher for 5 years. I did Teach for America in rural Arkansas for 2 years, and then I taught in a traditional public school for 3 years in Florida. And when I was teaching, I saw a lot of things that were impacting students' lives beyond what I could help as a teacher. So things like homelessness, food insecurity, gun violence. And as a teacher, I wanted to be able to help every student succeed and do their best. And I was realizing that there were all of these outside of school factors that were impacting a child's ability to succeed. And I realized that the law was something that could address some of those issues. And so I studied for the LSAT while I was teaching full time, and I decided to go to law school. When I was looking at law schools, I knew I really wanted to be involved in pro bono and public interest opportunities. And I saw this article, and I don't actually know who published it, but it was about the Palmetto Leader, which is our mobile law firm. And so it's a bus that we take around to different rural parts of the state to address access to justice issues. And so when I saw that news article about how this was this really innovative program, how not very many people have it, and as far as I know, we might be the only program that has something like this, I knew that South Carolina was a place that kind of fulfilled this public interest role that I was really interested in, and so I came to South Carolina. Outside of pro bono, I also am on Law Review. I'm president of the Student Animal Legal Defense Fund, which is the animal rights group, and I'm the treasurer for If When How. So I do a lot, but pro bono is definitely one of the biggest things that I do. Palmetto Leader is definitely my favorite, just because it's so cool that we can just hop on a bus and go to different parts of the state. And I think it's unique to South Carolina because the state's small enough to where we really can go anywhere in the state in under 2 hours. This is gonna sound really nerdy, but one of my favorite memories is studying with some of my closest friends 1L year, because something about kind of being in it together is just this really intense bonding experience. And we're still really close to this day, and I know that we'll kind of be friends for life, but it all started in the study rooms here learning civil procedure. So definitely get involved with pro bono because it really helps you understand how to think like a lawyer when you can see it in practice. Curiosity Coffee is my favorite place to go for caffeine. If you want to learn more, check out the link in our bio.